Number 21. Cut back on.
It means to reduce an amount or frequency.
He's trying to cut back on sweets for health. He's trying to cut back on sweets for health. We're cutting back on our spending this month. We're cutting back on our spending this month. She needs to cut back on her caffeine intake. She needs to cut back on her caffeine intake.
Number 22. Cut down on. It means to lessen, reduce, or remove, especially to make something more efficient or to improve health.
Cut down on junk food for better health. Cut down on junk food for better health. I'm trying to cut down on screen time. I'm trying to cut down on screen time. They've cut down on unnecessary meetings at work. They've cut down on unnecessary meetings at work.
Number 23. Dream of. It means to fantasize or think about something very desirable.
He dreams of becoming a professional athlete. He dreams of becoming a professional athlete. She dreams of traveling around the world. She dreams of traveling around the world. Children often dream of being superheroes. Children often dream of being superheroes.
Number 24. Dress up. It means to wear formal or elaborate clothes.
They're going to dress up for the gala. They're going to dress up for the gala. On Halloween, kids love to dress up. On Halloween, kids love to dress up. She dressed up for her birthday dinner. She dressed up for her birthday dinner.
Number 25. Drift off. It means to fall asleep gently or gradually.
I drifted off while listening to soft music. I drifted off while listening to soft music. She often drifts off during long car rides. She often drifts off during long car rides. After the movie, he drifted off on the couch. After the movie, he drifted off on the couch.